The sunrise, a feeling everyone should know. Hear him calling from the treetop, my girl laying on my lap, hoping he gets close enough to make him take a nap. Yeah, I said I'd have supper, I promised my mom, but I'm still sitting here waiting on Tom. Hey, what you got to say, Scott?
I see the big boss coming, always blowing out his chest.
Man, I love that.
The ladies all adore him, they think he's better than the rest.
Now we all came to see the show, and he's strutting on the hill. It'd be a shame to end it, but you know good well the will. Yeah, I'm feeling kinda lucky, it might be the day, but
there he goes heading off the other way.
Waiting on Tom, he's always running late, never gonna make that early morning. Waiting on Tom,
I make him every call, I can always see him there hanging on the wall.
I said I'd have supper, I promised my mom, but I'm still sitting here waiting on Tom.
Clear the gun, clear the gun. Clear the gun. Dude, you just got your first long beard. Go get him. Hey, hold on.
Where did I hit him?
Clean headshot, dude. Look at this. Grab your burn.
Here, I don't have pockets.
Take your mask off. Hey,
Heavy.
how's that 20 gauge doing?
Ooh, he's heavy.
On public land, smoked yourself a log beard, dude. Let me see. Smile. Let's go get some pictures.
Hello, I'm Ashton and I'm 8 years old. And it's March 21st and it's the opening of youth season. I'm in Mid-Pines, California, and let's go for Big Con.
Every spring for 5 long years I've been chasing down the same long beard. It's get up early and I give him all I got. Got me an old box called a brand new choke, and this spring it ain't no joke. I'm gonna fool him good and finally get a shot. Well, he gobbled his head off on the roost. I was just about to cook his goose. He was coming in, then it's like he hit a wall.